Students, today we are going to learn a very interesting topic. I know that you all like stories. You always eager and excited to listen stories. But student, do you know that there are different types of stories? Some stories are very short and these short stories mostly focus on one particular incident with few character and moral value. There are different types of short stories, and fable is one of them. Fable means a short story with moral, often with animals or inanimate object as characters. Fables are very popular for children. So students, today we are going to study one of the fable that is a short story. Now student, open your textbook, page number 18, lesson number 1.6. The name of the story is The Peacock and the Crane. Now student, we all are familiar with these two birds, the peacock and the crane. Let me give some brief information about these two birds before explaining the story or lesson. Now student, look at the picture. This is peacock. The peacock is one of the most beautiful and colorful bird in the world. Peacock usually has blue color and its feather is mixture of blue, green and golden colors. The male bird is called as peacock, whereas the female bird is called as peahen. Now in this story, the second bird is the crane. Now look at the picture. This is crane. Now cranes are tall birds with long legs. They are usually brown, grey or white in color. They have a partly net head and more heavy bill. When they are flying, their long neck is straight out in front and leg trails out behind. You can see in the picture the crane bird. Now student, let's begin the story. Student, be ready with your pencil to mark the difficult words of the story. This story is about two birds which I have already told, that is the peacock and the crane. There is a conversation between the peacock and the crane where the peacock is proudly describing about his beautiful and attractive feathers, and on the other hand he was rudely criticizing the crane about his colorless and dull feathers. Let's read the first paragraph. Listen carefully. There was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. Here, conceited means very proud and arrogant, and gorgeous means beautiful and attractive. There was one peacock who is very gorgeous and his feather is very attractive and beautiful, but he was very proud and arrogant. Next, so when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless and dull feathers and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. Here, scoffed means laughed at rudely. Peacock did this so that the crane might feel bad about his dull feathers and would wish to have a beautiful feathers like peacock. And crane should praise the peacock That's why one day when Peacock met the crane, the peacock immediately spread his own colorful tail in front of the crane. What he said next? Look at my feathers, he boasted. Boasted means speak proudly. Look at my feathers, how they shine in all the colors of the rainbows. While yours are so pale, I am dressed like a king. Here, pale means dull, or we can say light in color or not attractive. Peacock glorified himself and said to the crane, look at my feathers. They are shine like colors of rainbows. They are very shiny, while yours are so dull. They are not shiny or bright, and I dress like a king. Because of this beautiful, colorful, and shiny feather, the peacock looks like a king, and he was showing in front of the crane his beauty. Next, what happened? That's true, the crane answered, but I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars, and I can see the beauty of the earth in all its glory, while you live down here just like any other cock. So the crane feels very bad, but he also replied the peacock immediately that though I am colorless, but there is one thing which I have but you don't have. That is, I can fly high above the sky and star, and I can see the beauty of the earth, but you cannot fly high like me, and you cannot see the beauty of the earth from the sky. You live down here on the land just like a cock. Here the crane is comparing peacock with a common cock, because here peacock is proudy and his behavior is rude. He behaved with the crane rudely, saying that I have shiny and attractive colorful feathers and you don't have. But the crane immediately made it clear that crane can fly high where the peacock cannot fly high in the sky. So the moral of the story is fine feathers don't make fine birds. It means the beauty doesn't define a person. Your physical appearance is not important at all, but your inner strength is always most important thing in your life. Inner beauty matters a lot than outer appearance. The peacock was colorful, shiny, and attractive. That is his outer beauty. But the inner strength is with crane, because crane can fly high above the sky and the star among the cloud and can see the beauty of the earth, but peacock cannot fly high in the sky. So moral, inner strength is very important than physical appearance.